Yeah, just one thing from me. Several of the ST1s haven't completed their nail bed sutures. By several in this instance, I mean precisely one. I'm going to name and shame. Put your hand up in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Nicole. I want 5 done by the end of the day. The training room is not in use, so you'll be in the staff room. Okay, thank you. Chop, chop. Blech.
Holby AD?
5. How am I going to manage 5? I've not even done 1.
With practice. Oh, yeah, come on, let's go.
It's Dr. Piper from Holby AD again, Mrs. Kaczewski. Can you please contact us? It's about Tiffany. Thank you. Should have been a vet. I'm good with animals.
You hate snakes.
Do you know I've not managed a single finger suture? Not one. How am I going to cope with a baby? A baby I didn't even want. I struggle on my own.
Yes, but you're not on your own, I told you. I'm here. I've got you.
Ngozi, you're a friend. And friends come and go. Thank you.
Oh. I thought your shift had finished.
I'm staying late. I'm waiting for a patient to come out of surgery. Sorry for being a moody cow before. I didn't mean it.
I know.
You are my friend.
Yes, I know that too. Wow, that's going well, is it?
Oh, get lost.
Yeah, but I'm not taking over, I'm just helping. Okay. That's good. Now you just need to be a bit more direct. Bit firmer. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
You did it. I've done it. You did it. I did it. You did it.
Ngozi, can we have you in resus, please? We've got paediatric trauma. Thank you.